video is going to be an unboxing and a review. It's me once again, MsHashJane Makeup. So, for today's vid, it's going to be an unboxing and a review for this Dyson that was gifted to me by my husband last February 14 Valentine's. This vid was taken ng mismong February 14, 12 o'clock midnight. I was filming my daughter when my husband came and dala-dala niya na yung present niya sa akin. I was really surprised.
What you're talking about?
Oh, stop! What are you talking about? Oh, what's that?
Don't know.
What's that? OMG! What's this?
Me too.
Oh, me too.
Wow.
What's this?
Big eye present.
Present? Can you open it? OMG! Ah! Ah! OMG! これ欲しかったんだけど、でも買おうと別にいいなと思って。ちょっとあやっ。
Wow.
ああ、これ欲しかった。Oh, sleeping. Oh my god! ありがとう。ああ！あ、sleeping.
Wow.
え、なんでしてたの？なんでわかるの？は？俺。Happy Valentine's! Ano oras ngayon? It's 1 a.m. これこれThank you. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you. And medyo na-delay lang ang ating pag-film. But here it is. In fact, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng ganito before, but hindi ko siya ganun ka-want to extent na talagang gusto kong bumili, but syempre gusto ko siya. Kasi I've been hearing a lot of good reviews from this Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. Pati yung ear wrap nila, something parang ganon na pang curl ng hair. But hindi pa ako umabot sa extent na talagang gusto ko siyang bilhin. But thank God, kasi ito ang last Valentine's, niragala siya sa akin ni Hubby. So shout out to you, Hubby. Thank you so much for your surprise. A few years ago, nung nauso din yung isang brand na maganda daw sa hair, blah blah blah, and quite expensive as well, which is the Bioprogramming Reponizer 3D Plus, na katulong din daw yung nilalabas niyang ear to lift up sa mga saggy parts ng skin, blah blah blah, na maganda rin sa hair, blah blah blah. Siyempre nagustuhan ko siya, pero nung nasanay na rin yung hair ko sa kanya, parang immune na. So, good thing, this is quite expensive than common dryer as well. Kaya hindi muna ako nagplan na palitan siya. But ginamit ko na siya for about, siguro mga 3 years na rin siya sa akin. And then, eto na nga bago. Let's jump na sa voiceover para ma-explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga parts ng Dyson pag binili nyo, and mga details niya, explanation niya, and everything. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and like and share as well. So, let's jump!
What's in the box? So here's the 2 boxes. The first box is yung mismong dryer, and this one is for the Supersonic stand. Ang sabi dito, it's engineered to neatly hold your hair dryer and its magnetic attachments with one click. So, eto na po yung stand niya. Madali lang po siyang i-assemble, and it also comes with a manual guide. Attach nyo lang tong round plate na to sa stand, and that's it. And here comes the main box, which is nandito ang ating dryer. And I received one of Dyson's special gift sets na may kasama siyang beautiful leather box with a plush interior. And ito na rin po yung mismong dryer natin. It comes with a long heavy duty cord that's 2.7 meters. And it does have a large and a boxy electrical unit near the plug. And kung mapapansin nyo, iba yung pagkakagawa sa kanya. Dyson chose to place a motor for the dryer into the handle, which results in a better balance for the device. And hindi mo na mafe-feel na mabigat siya after lengthy drying sessions. Plus, this dryer aims to cut drying time anyhow. And the other nozzle na tinatawag nilang smoothing nozzle na mag-dry and style your hair at the same time with gentle low velocity airflow. Andito na rin yung diffuser na pinangarap ko para sa wavy hair ko. Ayan, and sabi dito, engineered to disperse air evenly around your curls. The diffuser simulates natural drying, helping to reduce frizz and define curls and waves. Long prongs allow you to style hair with control and reach deep into the hair. And meron din siyang kasamang isa pang nozzle niya na tinatawag naman nilang gentle air. It is engineered to be kinder to fine hair and sensitive scalps, and the gentle air attachment diffuses the air, creating a gentle, cooler air flow while still drying air fast. So, andyan na po lahat ng nakalagay na parts niya and features niya, kaya lang nakasulat po siya in Japanese. Meron din siyang smart features like kagaya nito na magnet. So, yung nozzle attachments niya, i-snap nyo lang with the strong magnets, making attaching and detaching them ultra easy. Parang ganyan. So, eto na. Naligo na ako second time around sa araw na yan dahil sa sobrang excitement kong gamitin na yung hair dryer na yan. And as you can see, nagpe-prep na ako ng hair ko. Ito talaga yung pinaka gusto ko talagang gamitin sa kanya unang-una is yung diffuser. Kasi nakikita ko to sa mga curly hairs na napaka effortless na lang magkulot ng buhok. Which, for your information guys, yung buhok ko kasi is may pagka-wavy but hindi siya ganun ka-curly pero wavy siya. So, gusto ko talagang i-try to dahil tamad po ako mag-ayos ng buhok. Ayoko nang nag-hairstyling. So, tinry ko siya just to make it parang messy look. Ganon. Messy curly ano ba? Messy curly hair look. Ano ba? Basta yung messy hairstyle. So, ayun po yung kinalabasan. Talagang para talaga siyang messy. So, pero okay na rin sa akin kasi sanay ako sa ganyang style. So, as you can see, I usually dye my hair. Kaya, naturally, naging brittle na siya, naging dry na siya, and naging lifeless na siya. So, nung tinry ko tong Dyson, nagulat ako kasi this device will never let your hair burn. And napansin ko rin na nireduce niya yung half of my drying time compared dun sa mga typical or normal hair dryer.
So, one thing na rin kung bakit sobrang thankful ako kasi binili ako ni Happy is because of our daughter, of our 2 years old daughter, Kyra, na natural curly hair kasi yung daughter ko. Whenever I'm blow drying her hair dun sa old one ko, since yung old one is yung parang typical na masyadong strong yung heat flow niya, nasasaktan siya and naiinitan siguro siya na talagang inaayawan niya yung talagang magpa-hair dry. But nung tinry ko tong Dyson sa kanya, aside sa napaka-great niya, it also prevents the risk of getting too hot and also to protect her delicate hair. Kasi yung airflow nung Dyson, parang wide range. Hindi siya yung nakatutok lang sa isang place na nandun lahat yung init niya. I don't know how to explain, pero para ka lang nag-electric fan ng number 3. Parang gano'n. Parang gano'n siya. Pasensya na po, hindi ko talaga ma-explain ng tama. Pero parang ganun yung pakiramdam and hindi talaga siya natatakot sa sounds. Hindi ganun kaingay yung motor niya. And hindi rin siya naboboard easily kasi pwede kong ipahawak sa kanya. Kasi yung old one, kapag pinahawak, di ba, pag masyadong natutok, pwede siyang mapaso. Pero pag yung Dyson, hindi. Kasi hindi siya ganun kadelikado kasi nga yung motor niya is nandun sa ilalim and yung airflow niya hindi rin nakakapaso yung init. So, ayun. So, natutuwa ako. Also, itong hair ko na to, for your info guys, extension po ako. So, mahirap din talagang i-care kapag may extension. Sa old dryer ko, talagang sobrang nagdidry and nagiging frizzy din yung hair ko. Pero so far, sa Dyson, ito hindi ko po to in-straight. talagang dinry ko lang siya by Dyson. And nakita niyo naman yung difference niya. Dahil nakita niyo naman siguro yung mga old fades ko, may pagka-curly din po. Hindi nakaganon kahirap mag-dry ng buhok. Usually talagang pinaka-hate ko po talaga yung drying time. So, dito na po nagtatapos ang aking review sa Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and naintindihan niyo somehow yung magulo kong explanation. So, see you on my next feed. And make a love shoutout pala sa aking mga channel members. Pasensya na, hindi ako nakapag-live lately. So, make a love shoutout to you. And sa mga viewers ko dyan, please also do support my channel members na ilalabas ko at the end of this video. So, see you on my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!